In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from Trading 212. Now, this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now for this video, I'll be showing you the process on the Trading 212 website. However, this can also be done on the mobile app as well, since the process is pretty much the same. So the first thing you want to do is just open up Trading 212 and you want to sign into your account. From there, we can go ahead and click on this, which will actually take us to this section of the website. And if you're on the app, this will probably be found in the bottom right corner. From there, we can go down to this option which says Manage Funds. And we then have three options at the top, which is Deposit, Convert and Withdraw. Now, since we're trying to withdraw money from Trading 212, we're going to go ahead and click Withdraw. And from there, we need to enter in our account password so that we can verify that it is our account. So from here, we can choose how much we want to withdraw by using this slider, or we can simply type it in like this. So choose how much you want to withdraw, and from there you also want to make sure that you are on the correct currency. From there we can choose one of our payment methods, and these payment methods will be the same payment methods as you use to deposit your money. So when I actually deposited money into this account, I used a card, and this is the card which I actually used. So if I was to withdraw my funds, I'd be withdrawing it back to the same place where I deposited from. So let's just say I wanted to withdraw £1, I'm going to set that to £1 and I'm going to go ahead and click Confirm Withdrawal. From there, it tells us that the withdrawal request has been submitted and it will be processed within 3 business days. So I can click OK, and we can actually go to this option at the bottom which says Withdrawal Requests. This will show us all of the times that we've withdrawn money, and it will also show us the status of it. So we can see right now it's processing, so that means that it won't be in our account just yet. However, once this is completed, that means that it will have appeared back into our bank account or debit card, whichever payment method you chose. So that's how you can withdraw from Trading 212. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.